Today, on our gardening channel, I will share with you a miracle top dressing that should definitely be done if you see that your cucumbers are sitting still and not growing, not developing. After this feeding, you will immediately see how they will quickly begin to increase the green mass and become greener and more vigorous, and it will be seen that they have actively gone into growth and will delight you with a rich harvest. Of course, there are a lot of reasons why cucumbers can sit still and not grow after planting in the open ground. The main ones are spring temperature changes, namely when the temperature drops below 10 degrees at night. Cucumbers do not grow at all, and in some cases they even die. They can also grow poorly if not carried out during watering, but if the following factors are not present in your cucumber seedlings, then it means that your seedlings simply do not have enough nutrition. Well, here's a simple and effective way to make your own homemade liquid fertilizer that will give your plants the nutrients they need to grow healthy and strong. What you'll need: 1 liter of warm water, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Take 1 liter of warm water and pour it into a container suitable for mixing. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to the water. Now, you might wonder, what's so great about yeast for plants? Well, yeast contains beneficial microbes that help break down nutrients in the soil, making it easier for plants to absorb them. It's like a boost for your plant's growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the mixture. This sugar acts as food for the fungus present in the yeast, helping them thrive and multiply. Cover the container with a plastic lid or wrap to protect it from UV lights, which can harm the yeast. Now, let the mixture sit for at least 2 hours to allow the fermentation process to occur. During this time, we can attend to some other gardening tasks. While waiting for the fertilizer to ferment, take the opportunity to clean any weeds that may be growing around your plants. Additionally, if you have too many cucumber plants crowding each other, thin them out to ensure proper growth. Use a fork to loosen the top 1 inch of soil around your plants. This will help aerate the soil and allow for better absorption of nutrients. Before applying the homemade liquid fertilizer to your cucumber plants, it's a good idea to give them some organic fertilizer like manure or wood ash. Wood ash is particularly beneficial as it's rich in calcium, potassium, and other micronutrients essential for plant growth. Check the soil moisture before applying the liquid fertilizer. If the soil is dry, give it a good watering beforehand. Remember, yeast thrives in moist environments, so adequate moisture is essential for its effectiveness. After 2 hours of fermentation, dilute the fertilizer by mixing 1 part of the fertilizer with 5 parts of warm water. This ensures that the concentration is suitable for your plants and prevents any potential harm from over-fertilization. Why is this top dressing so effective? Yeast, being fungi, not only emits carbon dioxide, but also breaks down organic matter into easily absorbable nutrients for plants. This technique has been tried and tested, consistently resulting in vigorous cucumber growth. And here's a bonus tip. This same technique works wonders for peppers, eggplants, and tomatoes during their initial growth stages. If you found this helpful, show your support by liking our video and subscribing to our channel.